IELTS speaking. Tips. Same question, different band scores. What subjects do you or did you dislike? Band 5 answer.
I didn't like mathematics because it was very difficult for me. I always felt bored and I didn't understand the teacher very well.
Why is this a band 5? Basic vocabulary, difficult board, limited range of grammar, mostly simple sentences, doesn't explain much beyond surface level. Band 7.5 answer.
I really disliked chemistry at school because I struggled to understand the formulas and experiments. Although I made an effort, I often felt lost, and that made me anxious during lessons. I think the subject just didn't suit my learning style.
Why is this a band 7.5? Wider range of vocabulary, formulas, experiments, anxious learning style, complex sentence structures, provides clear reasons and a little reflection, some natural fluency. Band 9 answer.
One subject I never particularly enjoyed was history. While I can appreciate its value, I often found memorizing dates and events quite tedious. I prefer subjects that are more analytical and allow for creative thinking, so history felt too rigid and fact-based for my taste.
Why is this a band 9? Sophisticated vocabulary, appreciate its value, tedious, analytical, rigid, fact-based, very natural, nuanced expression, balances personal opinion with reflection, clear, cohesive reasoning with no grammatical slips. Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks.
Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.